On the stage of modern industry, there is a CNC square fan guide plate air conditioner exhaust port inner hole spinning forming equipment that is becoming the leader in the industry with its excellent performance and innovative design. Today, let us approach this magical equipment and appreciate its unique charm. From the appearance, it has a simple and elegant design and smooth lines. It is not only a practical equipment, but also a beautiful landscape in the workshop. It is 2.7 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, and 4.2 meters high. The size is moderate and easy to place in different workplaces. Its key parts use high-strength materials and advanced manufacturing processes to ensure the stability and durability of the equipment. During operation, this square plate internal rotation machine shows amazing efficiency. It can complete various tasks quickly and accurately, greatly improving production efficiency. The operation panel is simple and clear, and the function buttons are all available, allowing operators to easily grasp the operating status of the equipment. Moreover, its maintenance is also very convenient. The professional technical team is always available to provide you with high-quality, after-sales service to ensure the normal and stable operation of the equipment. Choosing our machines and equipment means choosing efficiency, stability, and innovation. Let us work together to create a better future.